Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we are going to take a look into the masking. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, I've already imported a video in the timeline, and before we begin, masking can be done with your videos, images and any other layers that you want. And masking can be done to make a clone video of yourself or can be done for other purposes as well. Now if you click on your video, and here in the effect controls panel you can see below the opacity 3 options are given to go with. So these 3 options are create ellipse mask, create 4-point polygon mask and free draw bezier. So for this tutorial I'm going to use an ellipse mask, and for example I'm going to import my next video here in the timeline, and I'm going to click on this ellipse tool, and you can see that our circular mask is created. And obviously you can drag this mask to your subject just like this. And if you look here, you can see one option of max feather. Basically this option is used to blend your video, and if you set this value to 0, then you can see the sharp edges on your maxed video. So moving on, here we have max opacity, where you can change the given values to change the opacity of your video. And here you can see one checkbox of inverted, and when you check that box, then you can see that our other video is showing in the circle instead of our first video. And this option becomes very helpful when we are doing masking. Now here you can see another option of max expansion, and what max expansion does is it helps us to expand or shrink our max video as I change the value. And if you want, then you can animate your layers by toggling this button, which I've already told you in my previous video. So that's it for this video, and I want you to try all these options for a better understanding, and there's a lot more in masking, but I just want to give you a basic knowledge about masking, and I'll also try to make more videos to cover this topic completely. So this is Ricky for you, and your boy signing out.